Hello, hello, hello. Is it working? Should be. Hello, I'm vibe coding. Just a second, I need to reply. As soon as I start my stream, people are writing to me. So I need to answer now. Just a second. Okay, just a second, just a second. No, 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 no. I just need to change some stuff. Let me start my whole video today with running the application on both platforms. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's take a look. Okay, my cat is here as usually. All right, Xena? I don't know if you can hear it or not, but yes, we are doing a neuro dream vision board. Okay, Xena. Oi, oh, she probably want to show you herself to you. Давай, Xena, you want to show? No? Just very quickly. Okay. Okay, no. Oh, now she's gonna do jump to stop. Very, very cute. Oh my god. Okay, so failed, failed, failed. Everything is failed. Is it or not? Let me take a look. Okay, it's actually worked, but it's on the wrong screen. And here it's just running. Let's take a look if it's gonna work properly, and we will see from where to proceed. Charger. Finally got a little bit of time to do it all. So hard. Just a minute. not working how I want. Okay. Device if offline. Device was not offline. We're gonna rerun it. Or I don't have enough. Oh my god. Hello, Tom creator. Hello, hello. Just a second. I need to answer to. I start my streams and everybody start to write me, and I need to answer now. Oh my god. Just a minute. Unbelievable. Wait a second. Hope you speak English. You cannot hear me? What's going on? I do. Nice to meet you too, but I punched myself on the face. Please don't do clip of this. I do speak English. Okay, I see my own stream. It's actually working, no? But for some reason on Twitch, I always stream. What's the effect of using cursor with Opus? No effect. I cannot launch my emulator so far, so I don't know the effect, like, because you see that it's like crashing for some reason. Should be good when I actually used Opus. Oh my god, my cat jumped out of the wardrobe just on me. Is my stream is lagging or something? I don't understand what's going on. I hope it's all good. Oh, knew it. Helloski, Czerwinskito. Oj vej. I'll be back when you finish your admin. No, got back to me right now. Got back. What's the point? Well, just I wrote the system, no? That I use. Nothing more. So maybe there is no point. Hello, knew it. How are you? For everyone, I'm talking to you. What's wrong? I'm talking to you. You cannot see it? I'm talking to you. It's all good. Okay, good. I finished all my problems there. So hopefully you all can hear me well, because I really talk to everyone. Just if I'm not replying to someone, you need to know that I'm streaming simultaneously on... no, I'm Ukrainian originally. You probably hear, maybe I have a little bit of Spanish accent. Spanish or Ukrainian, that's what you probably can hear. But in any case, I have a lot of Spanish influence. But why are you not hearing me? So what I'm saying is that I'm normally simultaneously streaming on YouTube and on Twitch. So what most likely... Okay, let me... Has terminated. What are you talking about? What are you? Wipe data. Yes, please. So if I'm not talking or replying to someone, you need just to know that I most likely not doing it because I'm reading YouTube or I'm reading Twitch. Ukrainian. But I mean, I am Ukrainian and why you say it's okay? I'm gonna delete it. So I'm running now Android applications that I did before, pretty much because I did before Android application, And my computer scientist, no. Android application I did, and it's actually already published. I can show it to you. So many instructions, so many people writing, and my cat is here, and oh my god. Okay, let's take a look. So I want to compare what I have on Android and what I have. Well, let's go with Pixel 9. Let's run it. Bim, 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 bim. I hope I'm gonna have enough memory. All right, hopefully it's all gonna work. You have cats, very nice for you. What's the name of your cats? So in iOS, let's rerun, and we would be able to proceed with whatever we have. One time I had 13 cats. This is hard, no? Like, it's hard to have 13 cats. Oh my god. Sounds like a lot of fur. All right, so prepare running. It's all good. Guys, I did an update on reverse audio game. You can probably see it in here. And I did something genius. Okay, this is not that. This is not the application. Maybe I can, well, I deleted it. But in any case, you know this typical reverse audio game when you can record and play back reversed sound. So I added a functionality. Actually, maybe I can have it here. I can at least show you an icon with predefined recordings. Like if people want to play them with themselves, they can use, you see in here, in here, I added this. I need to show close to my face so you're gonna see. In here there is an icon with predefined sounds, which is super cool because now you don't need to have someone if you want to play just by yourself. You don't need to ask like someone to record and play back. It's already inside of the game. There is like funny phrases like 6-7 or I don't know, something like ballerina cappuccina. It's in there. So now you can use this all. My cat names are secret. Your mind works so well. You sound like a little furry alien with that accent. What are you talking about? Which accent? I had a guy like a month ago who wrote something like that I have Indian accent. It's not that I'm against, but I said trolls. Oh my god, trolls. Tom Creator. It's very hard to be my friend. It's extremely hard. Okay, so let's rerun and see. Dum, dum, dum. Okay, this is consent. Okay, this is typical tutorial. I'm just testing a lot of times that I need to test. Let's start, let's go. This is a part that I always say that is pretty much like when you need to enter the stuff that you don't want to have, like write down what you don't want in your life and want to stop. So for example, I want to stop mosquitoes. And the second thing that I don't like, stop cucarachas. I'm just playing around, but people are supposed to write a really proper stuff. This is iOS, but it's work in progress. There is an application that's called NeuroDream on Android that is already published. So if you are the user of Android, you can download it in here. Also gonna share the link on Twitch. So yes, and there actually in my profile you can see other applications that so that's what you can download. Maybe visualize your dreams. Stop mosquitoes, more flowers. Stop cucarachas, more cats. That's silly stuff, but at least we are testing how. So there is also already some stuff, right? So let's go from very beginning, because the application should be perfect. Ooh, oh, I knew it. I knew it. Okay, let's take a look. I know what's going on. Unfortunately. Just a second. I'm checking what I can delete. I don't want to delete anything. But maybe I should, which is hurting me so much. What can I do? I just made an Android account for only $25. How you did it? Cats are the answer to no roaches or mosquitoes with cats around. Good luck to you with that. My cat, she would never kill anyone. That's why I can have so many cats. Only 2 now, but soon more. Awesome. I just made an Android. How you did an Android account for only $25? This is very interesting. So let me see. What I want to do. Okay, you need to guys wait a bit. Well, I can actually start working. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to look on Android application so far. But we will have a narrow dream. Is those one are all the assets? I don't know assets. Okay. So I'm taking a screenshot. Actually, what I'm gonna try right now is to talk to AI, not even writing down stuff, and it should write after me. Hey, what's going on? Why it's not working? Why I cannot make a screenshot? It's because of the language? What's going on? Oh, okay, now it's working. So now we're gonna say, hey, why? I cannot, wait a second. What? I cannot believe it. What is going on? I really don't understand. Like, I used to be able to like copy paste screenshots, no? So for example, can I pass this icon in here? No, are you kidding me? All right, anyway. So on the intro tutorial, on the step now add images to your dreams, there are 2 blocks. After we created the dreams, can you make so the like edges on the left and the right of this block are not being cutted? Let's go. Let's see. But what is that? I used to, there is an update I can see, but I'm not gonna update it now, but I thought that normally I can I don't understand. Copy paste something sometimes is blocked, but why? Look, text is no, but only the screenshots. Like if I do this, why? Right? It's used to it says there image format is not supported. What are you talking about? Okay, I need to update it. TomTom creator, you sound like a troll, and I sincerely don't even know what to answer to you. Like, I don't know what to tell you. I don't even know why are you saying this stuff. So weird. Okay, let me take a look. I need to pick up one stuff. In here I have it. I sincerely have no idea what to tell you. I don't know. Just like, okay, man. All right. Good for you. I don't know. All right. Not sure, really. I don't understand. Maybe we are not. I had here like a USB plug, and I don't know where I have it. Oh, good. Then you can cozy yourself, allowed to enjoy. But I lost my USB adapter. Where is it? Because I really want to run, like, I don't know, I have a whole, was kind of like cleaning stuff in here. I cannot delete, and I cannot delete a lot of things, but I really want to delete them. And I wanted to pass them to my drive, but I cannot. So probably we're gonna do just without any Android emulator today. Now it's working. I'm native English speaker from USA, so well it's not. Oh, fine, you hate me. I still have Opus and my cats are grog. It's, I'm not hate you. Why do you say I hate you? It's just like you can do whatever you want. I can speak 5 languages. Like, and I'm learning another one right now. So, I mean, you native English speaker, do you know any other language? How many languages you can speak? Like, I don't know how to react to your stuff. Like, you say that you're stupid, and normally I'm not saying to other people that they are stupid, but I'm neither denying what they tell me about themselves. So I sincerely don't know what to tell you. Oh no! Again. I don't want anything, because sincerely. No, can you skip it? Okay, then I need to go and pick up my USB adapter. Just a second. Let's talk about your frustrations. What kind of frustrations do you have? Oh. Yes, I have here nothing to do but bully you. I don't even know you. Look, I have a bigger problem in here. way bigger. Oh yes, more views on Twitch. Perfect. Okay, I'm back. Just put my... It's terrible. I have a very terrible situation related to my memory. So before it, let me just very quickly, because I was organizing my stuff and I was really passing some documents that I supposed to pass on hard drive, but I didn't do it. I forgot everything. So now it's time to do it. So you need to wait a bit. All right. It's interesting. What else do we have? Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oi. You guys need to wait. You guys need to wait before... Okay, it's passing. What do we have here? We have here Rocky, TomTom creator, is having some problems with his private life because he has nothing to do but to write some nonsense. So pretty much got blocked and nothing else I can do. So I hope he had a good day, and that's pretty much it. Just not sure what he wanted from me. He was writing some creepy, crazy stuff that he's like stupid, and then he started to write some stuff to me, which make no sense. Swen the skull. No, long time no see. Oh my god, hello. How are you? It's such a long time. How is everything? Why again Oh, long time no see. I can see you also in here. Swen the skull. You just enter the moment when I'm blocking some bully on my stream. Typical. I don't understand why people are doing it. Can we normalize being normal and not be evil? Is it so hard? Not even getting triggered anymore. All right. So hopefully after what I did now is gonna work. Skip. Okay, I did it. Let's go. I already freed up my space, so it should be all good. Terrible, but I freed it up. What do you want from me? Terrible. Oh my god, like really. Okay, we couldn't believe. Where is the cat? My cat is right behind my screen, sleeping and making my computer even hotter. So I need to free up more space now. Just a second, guys. This is terrible. It's already been like a half an hour of my stream. And it's just not getting better. All right. But I say, okay, skip, continue, and it got very, very stuck. I guess I need to force. My mic is low. Hello, Oigabs. Do you know important? Well, no, I don't. Let me take a look. Maybe now it's better. I'm sorry. Like, I also noticed it, but then I was like, oh, maybe it's all right. I'm opening cursor one more time. It's crashed. I had here a memory problem. I should probably dedicate some times on making proper cleaning of my laptop. So what do we have here? Is it good? No, I think it's good. Oh, Oigabas. Nice, it's better. Yeah, I just raised the volume. I don't know. Sometimes I'm changing stuff. That's all. So, okay, let's go. Let's get back. We are here having what do we have? Neurodream. Let's take a look again. Maybe now it's going to be possible to make a screenshot because before it was not possible. So, yes, it was all memory problem, and now I finally fixed it. Have you seen Blender's new close physics? Holy wowzers, loud geometry node. I haven't seen, but I need to tell you that my boyfriend showed me the possibility of 3D. Finally, someone showed me the whole power of how 3D can be influenced by AI, and I saw what AI can do. And it's pretty much, I saw a video where guy just wrote, can you please do this to me? Like, this 3D object, and it was just like in, I don't know, maybe 5 hours, it was like a whole stuff. I'm not hiding my boyfriends anymore. My boyfriend was pretty much all along the streams. Don't like to comment on my private stuff. But eventually, guys, it's just like so annoying, really. So annoying with all the trolls. I need to put like here, the stuff with fingers and all this like rings and stuff, just to not to get sexist comments. So please, just stop it. Just stop it. Okay. I'm saying just now because this Tom creator who I had to block a minute ago, it was terrible. Just like why people are entering my streams and started to do. Also, Sven the Skull. I don't think it's good. I think that like I miss a lot about boyfriend, but it's just like, is it like every girl should like expose her status like or stuff like this? It's not nice, right? Like it's not nice. So guys, after years, if when the skull you missed something, I always had a boyfriend. It was never stuff that I never had. Okay, so guys can chill out. Actually, he was on a stream, so I don't know. I'm a bit AI fatigued. Knew it. Why are you a bit AI fatigued? I'm chill. Yeah, you're chill, but it's just like for some guys, it's not chill. It's like a very big topic. Like, for example, I'm telling you, Tom creator, what's the point of entering to my stream, writing to me? This, like, is it so unusual to see a girl who is doing something with coding? Like, just whatever. Being secretive about it isn't great either. Because I'm not using Flutter. It's not being secretive. It's just like, I think it's a right of every person to do whatever they want. And it's like, expose the parts that you want. Like, everybody can pretty much imagine that the stuff that I'm showing online, it's not me. It's not my personality. It's not me entirely. And for some reason, people online saying that, okay, so that's what I see and you should behave the way how I want you to behave. And pretty much as when the skull. So on the question, you got a boyfriend now. How am I, what is that? Like, what am I supposed to answer? I should explain my private life. I should explain my status. Should I talk about this online? Like, what is the point about it, right? And some people, they want to do it. I just don't want to do it. But I never was hiding it. Actually, my boyfriend was online in here. Like, it just people were ignoring it, or just out of nowhere, this has became like a big question, which I find, and especially for women, it's a very big question, right? Especially for women, and I'd say it's a bit tiring. And especially when you go like the whole behavior of guy, whether the girl has a boyfriend or not, is totally different. Oh my god, it's totally different. Like, if we talk about programming and stuff, for some reason, if a girl has a boyfriend, it's different stuff. So no, I'm not I'm just like, I don't see why this question should be important. And look in the way how Sven the Skull wrote it, like rosy hype, you got a boyfriend. Like, why is that so important? Like, what's wrong with you guys? Like, really, I don't know. It's like, maybe it's the age, like, differences or stuff, but whatever. Let's go. Let's move to my AI part. So I want these parts of the right and left sides of these blocks for now add images to your dream to be properly displayed. Let's write down. And now I cannot. So if I attach an image, it's not a Flutter. It's not. People who are asking me about the Flutter, it's not. It's I'm writing on Swift. So what are we gonna say here? Am I gonna write then? So on the step of now add images to your dreams. Now add images to your dreams. Step. There are 2 blocks with images to add and description of the dream. And you need to add a description, and you need to add space more on the sides, so it's not gonna look you ask him, Oiga Bas, you ask him, so it's not gonna look cut it down. Look on the screenshot. Do you have a girlfriend? Or guys, who is having girlfriend in here? Tell me about your girlfriends. Who is there with girlfriend in a relationship? Give me everything. Give me names, your statuses. Give me everything. Oigbas, is your girlfriend using Swift? Do you use Flutter? Give me everything. Look on the screenshot how it's cut it down now. What is she using? What is she doing? How long you are together? Tell me everything. So now we can actually we can wait and discuss now about she used C++. Is she doing streaming online also? I would be very happy to in Unreal. I would be happy to see. I would be very, very happy to see it. And you also do? Spencer Skull probably got offended and he just left. But just like, yeah, I don't know. I got always like why is it reaction? It's just like so bad. Ugh. I know that he didn't want anything bad, but it's just like so weird. It's like, I don't know. Not yet. I'm still learning. How old are you? Oigaps. How to properly read it? Oigaps. Let me take a look on your profile. Account created on 2017 you have. Oh, so you're actually streaming quite a lot online, but you look like you are a gamer. Okay. I got you. I got a lot of information. Yeah, nice. Very nice. Very good. So you're from Brazil and you probably speak because I can read like you Portuguese, Brazilian. Mándeme una mensaje de voz na live para todo mundo oír. Mándeme un mensaje en mi live para todo el mundo oír. It's very easy for me to read Spanish, but it's super hard for me to hear it when people in Portuguese are talking. But I mean, I think it's very nice. I know that a lot of Ukrainians went to Lisboa, actually, and they learn in Portuguese. Probably they would. I don't know. Is it a big difference between Portuguese in Portugal and Portuguese in Brazil? Okay. Write down what you don't want, blah, blah, blah. And here, blah, blah, blah. Okay, next. Okay, here, blah, blah, blah. Here, blah, blah, blah. Okay, great. It is fixed, so we can proceed. We add in one here, we add in one here. Finish one step. Okay, tick. I'm just checking if it's complaining again for my, like, memory. I guess no. I guess it's all okay. So this is the, okay, we are going very in detail. Let's go in here. So what can we say? Okay. Now on the arrows for the tutorial still, when we are writing down like you have just learned how to change negative beliefs into positive. Each goal can also become part of your vision board. Can you review them anytime and add more in your affirmation, blah, blah, blah. There is a little line between the arrow itself and the block with messages. Can you please or remove the shadow? Just make so this arrow and the block will look like a one total block. Okay. I should not say okay, but I'm gonna send okay. It's like Canada French and France French, but I have no idea how it's Canada French and France French. I have no idea. So is it a big difference? I don't know, like Italian and Spanish? Probably less difference, no? It's maybe like, I have no idea. Maybe like Argentinian and Spanish, because in Argentina people speak like slightly different, I guess, no? Just my cat. She fell asleep. part of the mug, and you know that like there is if you put your hands on the top of the mug, it's like tuk 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 tuk, makes the sound tuk 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 tuk. So she fell asleep, and on the back of my mug, there's sound is still happening. So okay, fixed. Let's take a look. Maybe it's gonna work. Swarm, New York City. Hola, are you from New York City? Hello, hello, hello. Hello. I don't understand what is this sound that we have. Xena, what are you doing? Super weird. Okay, again. What is this sound? Maybe this? Maybe it's my cat or not my cat. It's hard for me to understand. What is the Kiss Ryan Gosling points? So basically, oh yes, this is fixed. Okay, just now I will explain. So there is a magical girl, important wall with bricks. Hello, important wall with bricks. I will just commit my changes and I will tell you the story. So we have a magical girl. She's not that often in my streams, but I really love her with all my heart. Her name is Maria. And now she's dancing a lot of like traditional Spanish dances, so I guess she's super busy. But she's a big fan of Ryan Gosling. And once I was drawing on my stream, because if you take a look like years ago, you will see that I have a lot of experience in 3D, and I was doing a lot of 3D and drawing, and I do a lot of important wall. Very nice. Well, Maria is quite quite popular one, no? Maria. So she told me, Marina, like, look, you are drawing here balconies and stuff. Can you add Ryan Gosling in there? And after that, she was joining my streams, and she was like, she was asking me and begging me to add Ryan Gosling everywhere. So I started to draw. You know, I have this balconies of Barcelona webpage where I draw balconies. I actually even got an interview in Catalan TV. Look, you see? This is my balconies. And there is one balcony with Ryan Gosling. How to read it? Marja. So. Oh, yes, YouTube. I'm sorry. I've always forgot about YouTube. Yes. Here you can see it. So that's where Ryan Gosling, if you're gonna look into the one with apples, actually, apples or oranges, if you're gonna look in here, right, you're gonna see here Ryan Gosling parts. That's how it's pretty much happening. This is project that I did. It's actually very, very cool. So you can drag and drop in here, and you can clearly see where the balcony is located, right? So this balcony is here. Okay, let me move. Opa. Oh my god, move too much. Oh no. Well, one more time. Sorry. Just okay. Right. So this is, well, I don't want to like break it now. Maybe this is better. So yeah, this is the balcony that is here, and here is the oranges. This is a whole project part that I did. So very, very interesting. I got interview about this. Yes, and I also my God. I'm sorry for anyone who got hurt at their ears right now. My cat jumping. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I hope your ears are okay. I'm so sorry. I hope you're all good. I hope no one got hurted. But yeah, it's pretty much headphones bad idea. But it's just like my stand for mic got broken, and basically I keep my microphone in a glass. So that's the solution for now. Yes. Well, I'm really I need an aspirin. Ay, I'm so sorry. Oy, oy. Okay, let's go. I continue. This is working. Okay, let's take a look what I can improve more. For sure, there would be here. All right. We were fixing these parts last time. So this is pretty much just like a normal vision board supposed to work. Let's take some emojis. Okay. It's quite good working. Now, what about if I need to long press? I should probably switch the layers, but it's not working. Okay, let me try to add an image. Because it should work like a proper Instagram. Ah, okay. So that's how the layers working. Okay, what about rotation? Okay. Next one, we're gonna work free cut. And let's do borders and drop shadow. Okay. It's a bit weird how it's getting rotated, but I guess it's all right. I have to go to hospital. I'm so sorry. I didn't want it. My cat, she was jumping and it happened. I didn't want to. Come on, guys. Let's take a look on text. Okay, here we go in here. Great. Now, okay, you cannot. I get firstly recording. So my cat always sit on my keyboard. They're typical. Then you need to clean your keyboard and it's not very comfortable, I guess. But I mean, there are cats. I didn't know, you know, that garlic apparently is super toxic for cats. I had no idea about it. And I actually saw on internet how people are given like garlic bread to cats. And apparently cats can die because of it. I didn't know it. But apparently, yes. So now I will... I'm concerned my cat might cost me a lot of money on Claude. Why? So let's take a look on this one. So I'm writing down here. On the add text on vision board, on the board where we add the elements like pictures, icons, emojis, etc., etc. If I add text, you can see that add button is not fully fitted into the pop-up, and we also are cutting on the side text color, and all elements should be fitted, same as the toggles for bold, drop shadow, and border. You need to fit perfectly so non-elements will look like they are cutted. It's interesting that if we speak to AI, we're still making gestures with our hands. I'm concerned my cat may cost me a lot of money on Claude. I have to go. See you again. My cat may push a K and cost me all my credit. Okay, have a good day. Have a good night or whatever is it. Let me see what else I can do. How I need to put a bit down the music. Also for where is my OBS? Okay, perfect. Right. So let's take a look. Fixing UI. Then I would need to establish push notifications to make them better, and also I would need to rate my app probably. Let's take a look. So what do we have? Rerun. I don't have any plan. I don't have any plan how to do this all. And I probably gonna work now, because it seemed to me that it's working quite good. Maybe to do a more testing, maybe a little bit more of design polishing, but I think that Opus is doing great. It's doing an amazing job. And I guess I just need to start doing more like organizational stuff, like push notifications or advertisements, or maybe like rate my app. Now we're gonna probably a couple of more. Let's do the run. We're gonna see a couple of more design improvements, and then we can go for pretty much like seeing how we can do rate my app. Let's take a look. Okay, so it should be improve the I button. Wow. Wow, it's doing wow, it's doing such a great job. Oh my god. Great, just this one icon should be a bit smaller. Wow. Just can you make this one icon smaller? Okay, maybe, I don't know. Okay, this is gonna be separate because, okay, go for it. I guess my Twitch got cracked, like something happened to my Twitch. Network error? Are you kidding me? No, it seemed to be that all good, but for some reason on computer I see that there is a network error. I hope it's all good. Okay, across the whole app, please make the X buttons just like X with no circle and shadow. Now I need you to implement, I don't remember how I did. I have on reverse audio game a very properly developed rate my app stuff, but I have no idea how to properly do it. So don't remember how, like, I mean, rate my app, I mean stuff by the frequency of when I show rate my app and how it's working. So I don't remember exactly the rules that I said, but I want to implement rate my application, and I want to make it like with a standard approach. So that's what I'm gonna ask. Well, I have Grok right now, but we're gonna ask this Grok. So now I need you to implement rate my app functionality and make it how to call it, and make a pop-up that appears with rate my app pop-up and redirects to the App Store once the app is published to rate it. Just make the best logic and design how you see. Okay, so now I ask him also to do the changes like across the whole application, to change the way how we show the X close button, because it's really important for us, so it's gonna work properly. So well, let's take a look. Okay, I have here done. Let's take a look. I button, yes, this is very good. Settings, probably, what is the design that I had? I prepared a very good design, and probably now if I would start to do this application from zero, right, I would create a design. I would put this design as, I don't know, instructions for cursors or skills for cursor, and I would go and do it there. But It's too late. It's too late because I started to do this project way longer time ago. But let me see where are. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. My settings screen is way more ugly than I expected it to be. So probably not the best what I can do. But in any case, let me take a look. All right, I have to. I have to wait. I pretty much have to wait. I have a couple of ideas, and I have several another projects that I need to start doing. So I really hope to finalize this Neuro Dream board very soon. It's very long one, and lately it was very hard for me to find any time to do this. So let's take a look. Rate my app. All right, so pop up. Settings. Really? Anytime. Ah, this is perfect. Wow. So this is actually exactly what I want to say. Nowadays, I didn't have enough product knowledge for me to understand where and how I need to make the whole logic for rate my app. The only stuff that I know is that I want my application to be rated as soon as people gonna use it. So I want this application to be rated because it's a good application. So now what I did, I asked to Cursor, to Grog, to say, I said, okay, just do it with the logic as you can see the better. And that's what it did. And pretty much that is all. I have it. Let's take a look. And he said that he added it on settings. Rate Neuro Dream. Okay, enjoying Neuro Dream. A quick rating on the App Store helps others discover the app and support future updates. Rate on App Store. I guess what I don't like is, for example, in here, this change. Okay, I need to say, can you make the font black in the button? I don't know how this design look. Does it look like oldish or like does it look like 90s design or it's look better? I have no idea. It's always so hard for me. Eich. Can the link we have? Okay, let's take a new select from library. Okay, we're selecting some blah 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 blah. Okay, there is a bug. There is no way that we could keep it red. On the input field, please make so that we will have the counter of the characters, counter of the characters not red, but they should become red only once the limit is getting closer, like 10 before, in all input field. Great. Let's take a look again. So let's say I want to select from library. I assign, oh wait. So this part is also cut it down. So create dream, toggle to assign category. Please make the toggle fit into screen. You can see that it's not fitting well. Wake me up before you go. I have this song for some reason. Is this, oh my god, he changed the design and it's just so amazing. This is okay. Category selection save button is not in center. Oh my god. Category selector save button is not centered. Visualization, perfect. What if I gonna add super huge text? Let me, no, I cannot, because right, I have a character limit. What if I gonna use all of them? It's gonna be full. It's a long, oh wow. Hola. Ouch, this is very painful. This is something that we're gonna record to it. There is a problem with input fields. First of all, if I, let's say, edit or create a dream and dream description, and I add too large text, you can clearly see that the input field is getting expanded, and then save button and delete button are becoming scrollable. They are not fitting in the screen. You should fix it. And also, once the input field is arriving to the limit and we are writing more and over the limit, we should stop allowing, visually at least, a person to write down. It's like a typical behavior. So this input field is, if it's limited, you just need to not allow person to write. So if it's 280 characters, let it to be 280. Once we arrive to the limit, we're not allowing a person to write down anything else. It's very, very interesting that once we talk with AI, we do the hands movement. I do hands movement, even if I talk to AI. Like if I try AI to like to prove something to it, I'm doing like constantly this stuff. Okay, what else we have? So yeah, apparently we need to have more and more testing. Okay, what if I gonna use this? Okay, this is actually working super good. Okay, we have no limit for the board text. Let me see. Put up. Okay, so there is no save button. This behavior is definitely bad. So let me take a look. Really bad. Okay, same for the name of vision board. Please make a limit of characters for it, like maybe 23, something like this. So suppose I supposed to rerun it and then it's gonna work, I guess. Like all the changes with the input field should work. I feel like it's time for me to commit any kind of change that I did. So what do we have here? Okay, this is perfect. I just regret so much that I didn't start to do the proper. We're gonna do a game soon. So once I no, okay, this is not fixed yet, so all good, but well, it's all right. I'm gonna keep it for now like this. If I change, I'm gonna say this turn off. No, okay, wow, it's working so good. Wow, I'm surprised how good is it working, like, oh my god. Okay, so I'm saving in here. No, this is not what I want, so yes, here I can observe one category. Okay, one little no, actually it's working. So if I add here the description of the whole category. Oh, I crushed my emulator. Get it back to me. Damn it. God, I didn't want to crush it. I don't know why. Why do I have... Oh, look, this is a vocabulary application. This is Arabic. Arab language. So, I don't know, I have this music, wake me up before you go, da, 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 da. I don't know where I heard it, like a super old song, and I have it in my mind. So, supposed to be not able to write down once we exceed the limit of 280. And 270, the color should be changed to red. And you still can, okay, something is wrong. So now we have also the limit for the title of the vision board. No, it's not always red. I was thinking that I already wanted to blame. What about emojis? Can I... Okay, what do I have here? Can I copy paste emoji? Let's say like this. Right. Gonna be full of red apples. Beaver Logic, do you have tests? Oh my god, no, I don't. Oh my god, and testing, you went straight to the point. I just cannot explain how much is it important right now, how much I suffer, and how much I think that testing with all the crap that we can do right now with AI, how much it's important. But I don't. I'm doing here just like my applications. Some of them are very successful, and some of them are not. So this just a Neuro Dream is my vision board that I wanted to do, but I didn't do any kind of test. And I just was a minute ago saying that if I could right now, I started this project like super long time ago, but if I could now, I would use different approach to it. I would create proper design. Look how like I prepared a very good design. This design already existed like in 2015, you know, like because I was doing these applications and it didn't work out and I had to like start over. Then like yeah, I can do that. The design, you mean? Well, I suffer a lot with design. It's for me super hard. Like it's not that like I feel like I'm losing the whole sense of what is good or what is not good, what is right or wrong in design. I mean the test. Yeah, how you do it? Can you tell me how exactly you do the test? Like you talk about the XUI tests, right? Or what do you mean? Tell me more. Tell me more about this, please. So, yes, I wanted to fix the stuff. So, please, for all the inputs in the app, if those are exceeding the limit of the characters, we should not be able to write them down. And user, even if typing, nothing should happen. I have no experience with mobile platforms, but I talk to AI. Yeah, but well, I'm pretty much sure that it should be. So make it first plan the testing suite. Yeah, I understand. It probably is a great idea to do it, especially for this application. You know, it sounds like it's super easy, but look only on the settings amount that I created there. So, like, because like shortly saying, the whole functionality of the app is that you should be able to visualize your dream, right? So let's say I have this dream. I can click here and I'm starting to the visualization of all my dreams. And here is amount and like of minutes or seconds that I want to visualize my dream. And then I can decide whether I'm gonna stare on only one random image or I'm gonna visualize like a rotation, like a slideshow of those images, or how long of those slides I want to be visible on the screen, right? So it's like meditation duration, slide time, one dream duration per meditation session. Like maybe I should also, okay, actually this is a great idea. Can I say, oh wow, you just inspired me for a very great idea. So I'm gonna say, can you please make, just a minute. So I'm gonna say, can you make please, so that if people are pressing long press on the I button, we are showing a small drop down like that suggests to the user general visualization or category 1. General, we start just normal one. Category 1, we show a pop-up with category view. The category that user clicked will be the visualization of in slide show of only of only one category. And also if user click general, we just do a general visualization like we have now. That's gonna be like a super cool feature. Let's take a look if that's gonna work. So yeah, and Beaver Logic, just for presenting myself, I have a lot of already applications published. Let me show you. So here we go. Those ones are the ones that I have on Google Play. And the ones that I have on App Store. Let me take a look. There is a calm loop. You can take a look in here. Here we go. this one. So if you're interested and curious, you can always go and download there. I would be always very happy. All right, so Brush the Cat game. Yes, this is something that I did. Yes. Yeah. Brush the Cat game is there. Because it should be fun. It should not be like very hard to do. All right, let's take a look. Oh, wow. Build failed. Let's fix it. My microphone in the glass. If someone knows how to make proper stand for microphone, because also this microphone it has a really weird feature, because if I talk to the top of it, there is no sound, but if I talk to the side, it's a good sound. I have no idea why is that so. So fixed. Let's take a look. All right. Perfect. So yes, general category visualization. Wells. Is it Wells? What? It's not what I wanted. Wait a second. Travel. Okay, do we have this in travel? It's working so good. Oh my god. AI just so good. So good. I can do whatever I want. I feel so much power. Oh my god. It's almost made me cry. It's just amazing. It's just like so good. Okay, guys, in any case, I have to go on some calls that I have. So I have to raid you. I'm gonna raid you somewhere. Let me take a look. No, I'm gonna raid you literally to the first channel that I see. Okay. Coding a blockchain. Oh my god, from the scratch. All right. Making 2.0 RPG, solving binary data WebSocket. Let's go to binary data WebSocket serialization. That's good. Rating you guys to that stream. Thank you so much. I hope you are all good and downloading Beaver Logic. Thank you for downloading Scratch the Cat, Brush the Cat game. Thank you. Mwah. Thank you so much. Everybody on YouTube also, thank you for joining. Not the trolls. I hate trolls. So trolls, don't join and not go to raid. So see you very, very soon. Bye. Yes, same for YouTube and same for Twitch.